Hi mga kayami, I'm Khalid Mariel P. Dangkeo. I'm one of the owner of franchise store Yummy Chicken, AAA Pasig City. Actually, we're looking for something different and we are new to a food business. So it's a family business and we're looking for something na affordable. And yung isa kasi naming business is beverage. So now we are looking for a food business na affordable siya na pwedeng ilagay sa mall. Until then, na nagkaroon kami ng food tasting with Yummy Chicken and we found out it's very delicious and I think papatok to sa masa, especially sa mga Pasigenyo. I'm a full-time registered nurse abroad and the time na nag-decide na ako to stay here in the Philippines, yun nga, pinasok na namin ng food business. So, we found out na Yummy Chicken is one of the best options. Ako, ang pagtanggap ng Pasigenyo sa Yummy Chicken ay magiging mainit at masarap. Kasi unang-una, ang Kanto style fried chicken is nothing new to them. So I think they will try. Okay? Lalo na pag natikman nila yung mga different sauces natin sa outlet. Actually, very unique siya. So it's a Kanto style fried chicken with a boneless fried chicken na it's very convenient lalo na sa mga mommies and daddies na pag nagmamadaling lutuin yung ulam nila for kids and it's ready to eat na agad. What's your favorite flavor nung nag-food tasting tayo? The cheese. Me, ako lahat halos. Kasi talagang masarap siya. What I can advise to, if passion nyo talaga mag-business, just go through the process. Normal lang talaga na mahirap sa umpisa. And kung talagang gusto nyong magnegosyo, I advise, go na with Yummy Chicken. Kaya again mga kayami, ito na po, we are now open. Yummy Chicken branch, AAA Shopping Center. We are open to serve from 10 a.m. until 9 p.m. We also have our Grab Food and Food Panda delivery very soon. Kayami, please visit our Facebook fan page. It's a AAA Shopping Center, Pasig City. And our contact number is 0962-253-4522. Boneless, sarap to pare. See you mga kayami!